So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA in Canada, using the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, I want you to go down, just scroll down here to where it says buy and sell and press on that. Then under where it says search a symbol, I want you to type in ticker symbol TSLA. Now, as you can tell, there's two different options right here, but what you want is this first stock right here, ticker symbol TSLA. There's also a Canadian version right here in Canadian dollars, but if you want to invest in just Tesla stock, you can go ahead and, just as I mentioned before, type in TSLA and then press on this. Now, once you're here, go down to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you're here, you can go ahead and type in the dollar amount in regards to this, or you can also do a share quantity as well. So if you wanted to do a market order or whatever, you can also just do this. If you want to do $1, just press on $1 and then go over this way. But if you want to buy one stock, you can go type in 273, press on done, then press on next, and then go through the following process that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.